2019 Subaru Outback. Take the go-anywhere capability of all-wheel drive and plenty of room for cargo and companions, and you've got the Subaru Outback. Let the adventure begin. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: lane departure warning, stability control, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, all-wheel drive, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, cruise control, floor mats, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, climate control, universal garage door opener. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.